Welcome to the new Foxy Sports, where we are always fair, balanced, and hot. I'm Stacey Fusen, the lead anchor here at Foxy News, and your new baseball beat anchor, with my preview of every division for the 2007 season. Okay, I will try to be objective about the AL East, but as I told you before, I hate the Yankees. I have to play in NL-only fantasy leagues because I refuse to draft any Yankees. Now, the nice thing about this year is that even if I didn't hate the Yankees, I still wouldn't pick them to win their division. In fact, I don't even pick them to contend. Now, this is not because I think they are the evil empire, but it's just because they're not good anymore. Sorry, I love to say that. Don't get me wrong, they still have a killer lineup, but they are getting kind of old, have a shaky rotation, and crappy chemistry. Most importantly, they still have the A-Rod curse. He might bring up great numbers, but he just can't win a championship. Speaking of not winning a championship, the Devil Rays actually look like they might not end up in last place this year. They have some great young offensive players maturing, and if they can just get some pitchers, they might even finish near 500. I'm not as optimistic about the Orioles. They have a good chance of finishing in last place this year. I think the AL East will come down to the Red Sox and the Blue Jays. The Red Sox might have the best rotation 1 through 5. The Blue Jays might not have as deep of rotation, but their power-packed lineup more than makes up for it. They have an amazing, young, talented outfield led by future MVP Vern Wells. The Red Sox pack some serious punch too, and if they can find a closer, nothing can stop Boston from dominating the East. But until they do, I think the Blue Jays will give them a run for their money. Anyway, that's all the time I have for now. Thanks for watching me on Foxy Sports, where we are always fair, balanced, and hot. I'm Stacey Fusen. Bye.